eyes in the sky, gazing far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing with my new haul from Louis Vuitton. So let's start from the small thing first. This is the gift I got from my SA. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. I don't want to ruin the bow here, guys, so excuse me. Oh, I think this is mini perfume. Is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 mini perfume. So that is so sweet of her. Okay. Oops. Looks like so. Okay. Now let's move on to this one. This is also from my SA. Okay. Oh, I think this is the red envelope for 2080 Lunar New Year, the year of the dog. This has the dog prints all over. It's very cute. Love it. And this is my order. I have put order on this since I think months ago, so now they all arrive. So this is just the luggage tag in small size. I think this is the Faceta one. They don't have dust bag, but my SA promised to send the little dust bag and little box for me, so they each have their own box and dust bag. This one is in monogram. I'm sorry. This one is the Faceta one, so I can use it with my monogram piece. And this one is the dark chocolate. The black one. I think this is leather. And the last one is in chocolate, dark chocolate. This same one as dummy ebony leather with gold hardware. All with gold hardware here, including the black. I wish I have the black in silver hardware though, but anyway, it's made in France, the black one. And the dark brown and the Faceta one doesn't say made in which, just Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, and now onto the slightly bigger one. Mini pochette in dummy ebony. I know I've said that I won't be buying more SLG. I will try, but I already ordered it around, I think, 3 months ago, so it just arrived now. And the reason why I want it because of the red lining here. I really want one since long time ago, and I have been thinking a lot, so I finally gave in. And this one is made in France. I don't know if you can see that, made in France. And it was made, I have seen the date code here. I think it was made in second week of 2018. And then, just in case anyone want to know the code, Oops, it's so bright in here, I'm sorry. It's N58009. And now the last one, it's only small leather goods. Okay, can you guess what it is? Ta-da! It's the toiletry 19. Also, this one I already placed order since before I place order on my Damier Ebene mini puset. So I heard that many people say that this is quite hard to get, this with the toiletry 15. So mine is, well, I wait quite long for this one, and finally it arrived. And this one is made in Spain. If anyone want to know the code, it is, okay, it's very bright, I don't know if you can see, it is M47544. So I have seen the date code. It was made on 4th week of 2018, so it's very recent. Oh, did I mention it's made in Spain? So that's all guys for my haul today. Hope you like the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?